Peace, good people. Your favorite DJ Playback. I need y'all to go check me out on YouTube. Chill, relax music. I'm dropping all different types of mantras and affirmations and different types of positive rehabilitation to help you get on with your life. Now use these mantras because they really work. You repeat them daily, twice a day, 3 times a day, and they become a part of you and how you perceive life. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, help promote the channel. Because once you hit that like button, YouTube gonna help promote us. And we love y'all for it. Peace.
Chill and relaxed music.
Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time it ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly. From the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, 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 all debt is paid. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time it ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly. From the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave.
Chill, relax
money
music.
flow, money made. Flowing in and out,
Back.
plus money saved. Debt, 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 all debt is paid.
Got some more affirmations. Now these are some powerful money affirmations that's gonna help you step into prosperity, wealth, and keep an abundantly focused mindset. So make sure to repeat these at the beginning and at the end of each day. You're gonna take control of your mind, provide leadership to unleash your life. So this is important, y'all. Start by saying this. I can and will have more than I ever dreamed to be possible. Y'all got that? I can and will have more than I ever dreamed to be possible. Then you can say, I feel good about money and deserve it in my life. I feel good about money and deserve it in my life. Now you can say, great wealth is flowing to me now. Great wealth is flowing to me now. I know I am abundant and I always have enough money for myself.